Yes, Lovey.
I love you.
I love you too. You're making Daddy's feet feel all better.
Do they hurt?
Yeah, they hurt from all that walking that we did yesterday at Legoland.
Are you pretending?
No, it's really sore from walking all day. But you're making them feel better. What's your name?
I'm Dr. Ella.
That's right. You're doctoring up my feet.
Get your toes.
You're doing a good job, baby.
Doctoring up. Is your feet slippery?
Yeah, a little bit. But you're doing a good job. You're a good doctor.
How's that feel?
Well, it's feeling better.
Wait, are you taking a picture?
Yeah, video.
I love you.
I love you. Did you have fun at Legoland yesterday?
Yes. Why was I taking a nap?
'Cause you were just wore out from the day. What was your favorite part about Legoland yesterday?
Going on the dragon.
You like the dragon, don't you,
But
bud?
I don't like getting my head hurt.
Okay, next time Daddy will hold your head.
And Crispy will take a picture.
Yes, I'll let him do the video. What do you want to do today for fun?
But I'm sick.
Okay.
We can go. Do you want to play hide and go seek with Blue?
Yeah, we'll play hide and go seek with the
Make sure
balloon.
we don't drop them. Do you want to put water in them?
Oh yeah, we'll put water in there.
Make sure we don't break them.
Okay, we gotta be.
It's not like pumping.
Well, just put your hand underneath there and push down. Is it coming out?
Yes, right
Okay,
here.
good.
When I'm done massaging your feet, do you want to play in the grass?
Yeah. I gotta eat breakfast first.
No, your toes are. How's your feet? Do they hurt?
Well, it's starting to feel better.
I'll do the other feet in a minute.
Okay, you're doing a very good job.
I'll wash my hands in a little bit
Okay.
when I'm done.
Okay.
How's that feel?
That feels good.
Put more on your feet?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure I don't want to drop this.